Stop the time, this can't be quite alright. The same old house at night with nowhere you can try to run and hide. And it feels like if I'm where it lies, so do you know what's deep inside?
Come to think of everything, that meeting was a fake threat. It's almost like a shot at night of liquor yet again. So my head spun and spun and spun and spun and until I paralyzed me.
To feel that it's real, that flash of all this weight, I signed my whole life, my heart and soul away.
I found no answer, this nightmare in my head, and I rose from the bed, but as a big didn't say. Junk stain in every way, these voices shout aloud, shouting out intruder sounds and running all about. Don't need, won't ever heed advice you toss around. I'm coming now to hunt you down, you better watch your mouth. Each day with vicious mates, I'm feeling this fight. Deep inside I'm so despised, I'm breaking from their minds. That's fair, I never cared for love of that kind. So if they'd like, I'll take a dive, I'm falling till I can't rise. I will proceed by chasing after your lead and trailing closely. I will break free from every curse I see that you have placed on me. Never mind that business isn't mine, but what's the use of fight that's meaningless and fine to hurt this side? Don't seem that it's blind this time, it's all a whip, it's all a lie.
Worship and courtship, I wanna take a break, I'd be my best